Hi guys, welcome to mathematics. In this video we want to solve for x in 2 raised to power x equals 5 raised to power x plus 2. Guys, this question isn't just a math problem, it is viral brain game. You can try it before we watch. So let's say solution. We have 2 raised to power x equals 5 raised to power x plus 2, right? So now here we introduce log to both sides. So we have log 2 raised to power x equals log 5 raised to power x plus 2, right? So here let's recall that if you have log p raised to power q, this is equals q will come forward, so we have q log p. Applying this to the expression above, we will have x come forward, so we have x equal x log 2, right, equals x plus 2 log 5, right? So here we have x log 2. If you expand this bracket, we have x times log 5, so that is x log 5 plus 2 times log 5, that is 2 log 5, right? So we have x log 2 minus, transfer this to this side, we have x log 5 equals 2 log 5. So here now we can actually divide both sides by log 2 minus log 5, so being common. So and before you do, you can just factorize the common factor here. So the common factor we have here is what? X, right? So we have log 2 minus log 5 equals 2 log 5. So now you divide both sides by log 2 minus log 5. Log 2 minus log 5, right? What will happen here is this we cancel out this, so we have x equals 2 log 5 divided by log 2 minus log 5. All right, so we'll have x equals 2, our log 5 is 0.6989, right, divided by our log 2 is 0.3010 minus log 5 is 0.6989, right? So we'll have x equals 2 times this, we'll have 1.3978, right, divided by this minus this is minus 0.3979. all right guys, so we have x, this divided by this, we will have minus 3.5129, so which means that our x will be equals minus 3.5. guys, this is our final answer. So you can actually check this, you can check. Let's remember our given equation is 2 raised to power x equals 5 raised to power x plus 2, right? And we've gotten our x to be equals minus 3.5. You can, if you like, you can just write 1. So, but let's leave it like this. So we have to substitute this value into this equation, so and see if it satisfies the equation where our left hand side will be equal to our right hand side, right? So the first we have 2 raised to power minus 3.5, right? So we want to check if this is equals 5 raised to power x is minus 3.5 plus 2, right? So we'll have this is negative index, so this is going to be 1 divided by 2 raised to power 3.5. Is this equals, if we simplify this, we are going to have 5 raised to power minus 1.5, which means that we have this negative index to be 1 divided by 5 raised to power 1.5, right? So we'll have 1 divided by 2 raised to power 3.5 will give us 1.3137, right? So we want to see is this equals, we have 1 divided by 5 raised to power 1.5, we have 1.18031, right? So we have this becomes 0.0884. Is this equals to, divided by this, we'll have 0.0894, right? Approximately this is 0.0. You can approximate this to be 9, and this will be 0.0. Approximate 9 to 8, we have 9, right? So you observe that our left hand side is equals to our right hand side. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Can you like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. My great time, you can now send super to support this channel. It helps me to create more content you love. I say a few super thanks, and I will make sure to give a shout out to my next video. Bye.